awesome people, Ellie Awesome here, and today I'll be unboxing the Apple AirPods Max. I got green by choice because I thought it's a vibe. The box, fun fact, is actually embossed here. I'm really curious about these headphones because they're obviously premium headphones. There's no doubt about that. $899 in Australia and $550 in the US. Here's that crazy case. Got a little cover on top. I didn't want to be judgmental about this, but this case does look strange. I mean, is it really a case? I like in theory what Apple tried to do, but I wonder if I'll like this in practice. Okay, these are just covers with cardboard. Ooh, oh, spongy. And the magnetic cup is removable. Oh, yeah, that's satisfying. So you can replace them if you want. Okay, the metal feels really nice and super smooth and definitely cold to the touch. Oh, I think they look cool. I like the design. I don't love the price, but I like the design. The mesh, fun, interesting, okay. What else do we have? AirPods Max, typical quick guide. No Apple sticker this time, interesting. And lastly, your USB-C to Lightning cable. This is such a wild choice. Apple literally paved the way with the USB-C cable and the USB-C port. They put it into everything pretty much first, and they're still making us use their Lightning port. Anyway, this is just a quick look. Stay tuned for the full review and let me know in the comments what you want to see in the review. Thanks for watching. Bye.